Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can upload your own fonts using brand kits in Canva, so let's get right into it. Now, you'll excuse me for using a tutorial or an online guide for this, since I am within a team, and I'm not a team owner on Canva, so I cannot show you how this is done. So I'll just be going over these instructions on how to upload fonts. So let's get right into it. Firstly, on the computer, you need to go to the home page and then click on the brand icon. Then you click on the brand kit tab, and if you have multiple, you need to select one to customize. Then under brand fonts, you click upload a font, scroll down to fonts, select plus add new, and then upload a font, and then you just need to confirm and wait for the upload to finish. If it doesn't upload, you need to check out the upload errors, which might happen for many reasons. Now, on the mobile version, you go to the home screen, tap the menu, tap on brand, then locate the brand kit. Again, pretty much the same process. Go into fonts, tap the plus icon, then upload a font, click that button, and then tap choose files, and then select the upload tab open, and then just wait for it to upload, and then you can use it freely. Keep in mind that you can only upload fonts that you're licensed to use, so keep that in mind. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.